Es normal.
Es normal.
Es not.
Es normal.
Es
¿Cómo
normal.
estás? Bienvenidos, bienvenidas. Okay,
Gracias.
gracias. Okay, chalo, let's start. ठीक है? So, today we'll do, first we have articles, then we'll do like, whenever you present yourself in front of the people, like
Mhm.
in French also we have présentez-vous, je m'appelle, है ना? This we, nationality, your profession, right? So because as I already explained to you, we have two H verb in Spanish language. We have ser and we have estar, right?
Mhm.
Today we'll come to know articles and where we can apply the normal things like ठीक है? Okay? चलो, let's start. One second. Okay. First we'll do articles, which is very simple.
Mhm.
Okay. So as in English language also, we have two type of articles. Like we have definite articles and we have indefinite articles, right?
Yes.
So,
So we can't see the screen.
oh sorry, my okay, sorry, it's my mistake. One second. Is it visible to you?
Mhm.
Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, now.
Okay. So we have here today we have a Spanish articles. Okay. So
Mhm.
basically we have definite articles and we have indefinite articles. Very simple. So you have to speak after me. Chico, speak up. Chico,
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 speak up. Chica,
Chico, Chica,
speak up. Chico, chica, chicos,
Chico,
Chico,
Chica,
chicas,
Chicos,
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 and chicas.
chicas,
Chicas,
chicas.
Chico, chico,
Chico, chica, chicos,
chica,
chicas.
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 Very simple. See,
Mhm.
if we have if we have masculine article, definite article, we have the basically we masculine article, then we have to use L. We have to use L. For
Ill.
example, if I'm saying the boy, I'm saying the boy. Boy is basically Chico.
Okay.
Boy is basically Chico. So I
Chico.
will say El Chico. Is it clear to you?
Mm-hmm.
Chico.
Okay. The next we have is the girl.
Mm-hmm.
We have the feminine. So the feminine we have la. That is
La.
the feminine in Spanish. Okay. So we have because we have four type of basically the we have el,
Mm-hmm.
la, los, and las. So far
Okay.
we have covered el. El stand for masculine article.
Mm-hmm.
La stand for feminine article.
Feminine. Mm-hmm.
Is that clear to you?
Mm-hmm.
Very simple. So here we have the girl. So la chica. Is that clear to you?
Mm-hmm.
La chica.
Chica.
If I'm saying the boys, because that can be a plural, the boys, when it fall under the category of plural masculine. Is that clear to you? My
Mm-hmm.
plural masculine is los.
Los.
Yes.
My plural masculine is los. So we have los chicos.
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 Is that clear to you?
Mm-hmm.
If we have a feminine, we have a feminine plural, then we
La.
have la.
Last.
Very good. Very good. And we have muy bien las chicas. Is that clear to you?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
So basically we have four type of articles. We have four type of
Definite article.
four type of definite article, definite, definite article in Spanish. What is that? A, la, los, and las. Is it clear to you,
Yes, yes.
senoras?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now again, if we move to a next pattern, that can be an indefinite article. That can be a
Indefinite.
indefinite article. So, what is my indefinite article? In English, we have a, an, and, few. We have some. When this is the quantity when which can be defined as an indefinite when we are not sure for the quantity, right? Few, some, right? So that we stand as an indefinite article. The same in French language, right? My indefinite article. If we have un, speak up un.
Un.
In French, we have un, but not
Mm-hmm.
this un. This is un. We have masculine.
Mm-hmm.
Please, un. We have masculine. Una. We have feminine.
Feminine.
Is it clear to you? Un.
Mm-hmm.
We have masculine. Una. We have feminine. If I'm saying a boy, so what you will say? Un chico.
Un.
Chico.
Chico.
Is that clear to you? If
Mm-hmm.
I'm saying a girl,
Un
a girl
chica.
is una chica. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Saying uh some boys, and I'm not sure for the quantity. Few
Mm-hmm.
boys, when the quantity is not sure. So we have unos. Uno stands for masculine indefinite article.
Mm-hmm.
Masculine indefinite article.
Definite
Is that clear
article.
to you? So
Yes,
I will
sir.
say unos, some boys, a few boys. Unos chicos. Is that clear
Mm-hmm.
to you? I'm saying
Mm-hmm.
some girls. 1 second, please, huh? 1 second. Okay. If I'm saying some girls, so we have unas chicas.
Unas chica.
So this is some girls.
Mm-hmm.
Is that clear to you?
Mm-hmm.
So basically, we have four type of
Article.
definite article, definite article. What is that?
And
A,
indefinite.
la, los.
Los, las.
Is that clear to you? Very simple.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we have four type of indefinite article. Okay. What is that? We
Un,
have
un,
un, una,
una,
unos,
unos, unas.
and unas. Is that clear to you?
सर तो इसमें मैस्कुलिन और फेमिनिन का कैसे मतलब बेसिक वो है डिफरेंस.
Basic वही है कि difference is that this we have chico because we have a ending o, that's a masculine. If we have a chica, so we have ending a we called as female.
फेमिनिन.
If we
तो सर
have
इसमें भी एक्सेप्शंस हैं.
exceptions बहुत कम है. In French we have a lot of exceptions, but in Spanish we have very few exceptions. 99% cases is belong from O and A. Okay, so we have chicos because we have O S, that's a plural, masculine plural, and we have chicas, that's a female plural. Is that clear to you?
एंड वॉवल वाला केस नहीं है यहाँ पे.
There is no vowel case, exactly. There is no vowel case.
वो
And
कॉन्ट्रैक्शन होता है जैसे फ्रेंच में.
French is, if we compare from Spanish, French may we have the articles in terms of how French is easy language if we compare from Spanish, but sometimes it happen uh, that there's few cases like we have at is only one verb, but we have a lot of things like masculine, plural, masculine, feminine in French language. But here we have two verbs of ether. So sometimes in some grammar that Spanish is lengthy procedure is going for is basically coming under the lengthy procedure, and sometimes the French we have coming under the lengthy procedure. Okay, right? 1 second.